This is my version of a clean girl makeup, so let's get into it. Starting off with brows, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Precise Brow Pencil and gently filling them in. I'm then going in with the NARS concealer to cover up my blemishes and blending all that out. Then going in with my favorite tinted moisturizer, the Rare Beauty one. This stuff is amazing. If you're looking for coverage and overall a lightweight finish, this is the one. Look at that coverage. I love it. I'm then using my Frankie Rose Cosmetics concealer and placing that all over the areas that I'm going to be highlighting, like under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. To bring warmness back into my skin, I'm using this cream bronzer by Anastasia. I'm using the shade Golden Tan, and this shade is honestly so perfect for summer. It gives you that perfect sun-kissed look. Just look at that. For blush, I'm using the Rare Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Bliss, and it's such a pretty pink. To set my face, I'm using this Makeup Forever HD powder in the shade Banana. For bronzer, I'm going in with this Physician Formula bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. Then going in with my favorite Patrick Ta Beauty blush in the shade She's Blushing. To seal all that in, I'm going in with my Milani setting spray, and this stuff smells amazing. I'm then using this RMS Living Luminizer for highlighter and using a brown shade all over my crease and a lid area. For eyeliner, I'm going in with one of my favorites, which is this Aiko brown liner. The felt tip honestly just makes it so easy to do. Look at that. I'm then going in with this Araceli gel liner and place that all over my waterline. These lashes are so bomb. They are by Luna Magic, and they just really take your look to the next level. It's a must. Going in with my lip liner from Makeup by Mario in the shade Travis and the KKW Nude 2.5 lipstick. For mascara, I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics mascara and applying that to my lower lashes. And there you have it, my version of a clean girl makeup. So dewy, so fresh, so natural. I love it all.